What's new in Power BI? September 2025 update. Microsoft has rolled out powerful new features this month to make your Power BI experience smarter, faster, and more connected. Here are the highlights. Copilot and AI. Copilot is now enabled by default, giving you a full-screen, chat-based experience to explore your data, ask questions, and get insights across reports, semantic models, and Fabric data agents. Reporting. Performance Analyzer is now available in the Web Report Editor, helping you track and optimize visual load times. Modeling. Edit semantic models directly in Power BI Service, bringing end-to-end authoring to the browser with near parity to desktop. Mobile. NFC tag support lets you scan and register Power BI items like reports, dashboards, apps, or workspaces straight from the app. Visualizations. The new advanced column chart makes it easier to compare values across time, categories, or quantities with clear visual lines. Stay tuned for more Power BI updates.